Long ago, in the kingdom of Gulistan, there lived a wise king who always tested his people's honesty. Beside him was his most trusted minister, a man admired for his fairness and courage. One morning, the king said, "I want to see how honest my people are. Prepare a test." The minister thought for a while and came up with an idea. He placed a large empty pot in the center of the palace courtyard. On it was written, "Whoever fills this pot with honesty shall receive the king's treasure." The news spread like wildfire. People rushed from every corner of the kingdom, carrying bags of gold coins, jewels, and precious stones. Each person dropped their riches into the pot, hoping to win the king's favor. But here was the mystery: the pot had a secret enchantment. No matter what was dropped inside, false intentions would turn it into dust. Only true honesty would remain. Day after day, people came, but the pot remained nearly empty, filled only with gray ash. The greedy citizens were shocked. "How is it possible? We gave our gold and jewels." But in reality, their hearts were full of greed, not honesty. Finally, one poor farmer came with nothing in his hands. He looked around nervously at the glittering crowd. Then, with trembling voice, he said, "I have no gold, no jewels. All I have is this small basket of wheat, which I earned with hard work. I give it truthfully, for I cannot lie." He dropped the wheat into the pot. Suddenly, a golden light shone, and the pot overflowed with real treasure: diamonds, pearls, and gold. The crowd gasped in amazement. The king smiled. "You see, my people, honesty is not about riches, it is about purity of heart." This farmer gave little, but he gave it truthfully. That is why the magic of honesty rewarded him. The minister added, "Greed turns wealth into dust, but honesty turns dust into wealth." The poor farmer was rewarded with land, a house, and a place of honor in the kingdom. True honesty has a magical power that no wealth can match. Greed destroys blessings, while sincerity multiplies them. A small gift given with honesty is greater than mountains of gold given with deceit.